What's up, my juice lovers? Charlie Wetlaufer here. Today we're talking all about the most important tool you can get if you're trying to create your own amazing juice recipes, and that is this book right here called The Juicing Companion. This is written by Chef Ari Sexner, the #1 juicing business consultant in the entire world. And the reason I love this book is because it's not just a recipe book. There are some amazing recipes in here, but really what it is an idea book. So for example, let's say you're at the market and you see that they have lavender on sale because it's in season. You open the book up to the L for lavender because everything's in alphabetical order. And on the lavender page, it gives you all these ideas of what you can do with lavender, what kind of ingredients you can mix it with, and it even gives you ideas for recipes. So first it gives you the health benefits, then it gets into the flavor pairings, and then there's other really useful tools in this book. For example, the seasonal availability list is amazing. It gives you the seasonal availability in a really cool graphical chart that's really fun to look at and visualize, like what things are in season. There's also a preparing produce for juice guide, and then the beautiful recipe section in the back. So highly recommend. This is a definite buy if you want to create your own amazing recipes. Thanks for watching. If you want more content like this, go ahead and subscribe and leave a comment below if you have any suggestions or questions. Thanks. Peace.